Spaghetti with Bottarga, cherry tomato, garlic, olive oil. Basic, you do like a base of garlic and olive oil, like aglio olio, cherry tomato, and fresh Bottarga on top. Garlic, a little bit of garlic for this dish. We're gonna bring in the tomatoes. Okay. Okay, now we have a little bit of garlic and a little bit of tomato. We're gonna cut more parsley. It's gonna be to end the dish. We're gonna start with the garlic. We're gonna put the garlic there. Saute a little bit. Then I'm gonna put the tomatoes. The famous cooking water, guys. Always. Okay. A little bit of garlic, parsley. Now we have our sauce, which is just made of garlic, olive oil, cherry tomatoes. We have our pasta. Don't be afraid, just leave it there with the heat. Let it cook. Bottarga di Muggine. We're gonna grate some nice Bottarga di Muggine. This is a cured mullet roll. So those things that you see here, it's just the sack of the eggs inside. So this is the Bottarga, you peel it off. Shave the Bottarga, you know, put as much as you want. In a restaurant we put a lot of Bottarga, but put as much as you want. There we go. There we go. And this is it. If you feel like seafood, if you feel like that flavor from the sea, the Bottarga is the best. Oh my God. Amazing. Enjoy.